These are my coworkers. These two. This is me. I'm Alan. I have a great buddy. He's my favorite human. We often play many kinds of games together. Some of the games are a bit difficult, but I think they're all very fun. My buddy often tells people that I'm tsundere. I guess that must be something good. Whenever my buddy suits up, I know it's time for my favorite game. Wherever we go, day or night, we are always the best team to find the people hiding in the shortest time.
好棒，好棒，一个，好棒啊！
Once we went to Hualien. Things felt different, and I was more focused than usual. After a few rounds, my eyelids got very heavy. No one noticed, I think. My buddy always says that I'm brilliant. We have nailed a United Nations test together. These great senior co-workers are my role models. Some of them have been to Iran, some to Haiti. Oh, that's my dad, Adam. He's the best. We all miss him so much. I'm never worried about where I'll be going, because I know whenever I look back, my buddy is always there for me. This gives me courage to keep on searching.
So I promise I'll be there for you. I'll pick you up when you fall.
We are just like family. As long as I get to stick with my buddy, I am the happiest dog in the world.
So you won't have to stay